All right, what's up, guys? Okay, I'm going to share this, and I'm gonna do a little trading on the copy trading account today for BitGet, and we'll see how that goes. If I get one, I'm not going to do it for no reason. All right, what's up, guys? Let me share this stuff to people. Um, wow. Okay, come join me live. All right. Let's see. Does that still work like that? Yeah, okay, cool. Do I got the chat out? Yeah. Does that still work like that? Yeah, okay, cool. All right, guys, we'll give it a couple minutes, see if I can actually get some people in here real quick. We'll see what we can do. I'm gonna be just using my copy trade account on BitGet. So if you want any information on that, it'll be on my Twitter. Let's see. See, we're back above this spot. I like it, but what I really want us to get above is right here. We just got the Google announcement, and you know, we shouldn't lose that wick, right? Shouldn't lose that wick. So, but no confirmation yet. We want to back above some low time frame areas here. We can get up here. We're gonna get up here. If we can reclaim this area right here. What is this? Get off my screen. Okay. Okay. As you can see, look, perfect. Just rejected right now. There's, nothing to really short as of yet. We're just looking, waiting. But we really want it just right above here, guys. If we can get it and hold that, get above that level, that'd be a good confirmation. Then you can put a stop loss. I wouldn't put a stop loss directly under this area since we like to get back to it, but around here, somewhere around there, 18,946 would make sense. Below these wicks, that's what I would do. But that is our trigger right now, and no momentum change, not even on the 1 minute. With the Google announcement, you think it'd be pretty, somebody wants to buy it, right? Somebody wants to buy it. Nothing's changed though. So when price doesn't react to news that's supposed to be extremely bullish like that, there's no reason to actually think it's going to happen. Okay. What do we got here? What's SPX doing? All right. Still not above 3640. Like I said, there's no reason. Google just accepts Bitcoin. Okay, that's it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, but it doesn't actually mean anything. What's DXY doing? C, still going. Are we losing momentum though? Be a nice little area to hold here. Be nice to get the 45-minute EMA coming up too. Wick down to it, hold the level. Oh my god, can we get rid of some of this shit? Yeah, it'll be alright. Alright, see? Okay, so no momentum. So there's no momentum. I mean, there's nothing to long get whatsoever. Like I said, we're waiting for this one trigger, guys. Just this one trigger. You know, this you can get 1% moves in this market all day. It's the bear market. It's what you're gonna get. You're not gonna get a shit ton of percentage moves in the bear market. Okay, we've been ranging here for fucking how long have we been ranging here? Exactly since June the 14th is when we made this area. So, but let's look at this real quick. Let's remove that. So, as you can see here, we've talked about this breakdown pattern a lot right here. Close, making it resistance. So we know that's the level to beat still to this day. You know, we know we're looking at the right stuff. You know, you got a nice trend here. We can use the wicks to a certain degree. See, you want to use it where the trend touches the most. You know, wicks can be included. Just where does it make sense the most? So we got this breakdown of the trend too. See, now what you want to watch for, you know, this would be our area, you see, to come retest that trend line would be our area that we were looking for this morning, 19.5 area. As you can see, it is our pivot area that we've talked about, as you can see. See, guys? You know the levels are there for you, right underneath it. That would match the trend line as a retest. So if we get that spot, we will take the short probably. We'll wait for momentum failure, but we will take that short. On the 5, it's starting to, it's not looking good, man. It's not looking good, guys. Not looking good for the Bulls. Still. See how we're below this formation over here too? You know, right under here. You know, that's just chart experience. I couldn't really tell you how why that makes sense to me to stay below this area here, other than just watching the chart 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours a day. It's like a piece of art. That's what I tell people. It's like a piece of art. What would price action do to complete the image? I'm thinking short, guys. What y'all thinking? Now, I would have shorted if I really just run it to grab 19.5 before a short. It would be the best. You know. It would be great, but holding this, if I was going to short it right now, I'd want it to break and then come back to the trend, and then maybe we get something down to there. That's what I'm looking for. That would be something nice. But, this is pretty big support zone, so we want to see it, wick through it, and then come back and retest, and then we would look for a retest of this area. But if it does not lose this area, we're still intact. We just need to get back above 19,195, and we'll look for the push up to 19.5. I don't want to sit here all day waiting for a trade, but should have just shorted that, honestly. As you can see, the 15-minute 200 EMA has played the resistance since the fall off of 20K. This is over the weekend price action and still doing it. That's why we use the 200 EMA though. You know, it's the best EMA, the best moving average. There's no reason to use another one. This is the only one I use. I mean, it's all you need. It's all you need. Indicator wise, you know, we got RSI down here, but we don't use it for oversold or overbought. You know, it's cool to look at that sometimes, but that shit's just noise. If you're losing, you got to use it for momentum and trends. You know, trends, supports and resistances. See, look, okay, so that's why we don't short it, because we know this is a support area. See, we got the wicks here over the weekend. So we want it to lose it first, but it didn't. You see how it closed right there? So, you know, you don't want to necessarily enter a short. Not like that. You know, you want it to get, maybe we can get back up into this trend line. Just like, just a little push, you know, just a little bit, and then hold that level, then come back. If it rejects off that level, off this channel, that'd be a good short. You could have really good close invalidations. You don't want to put it at 19,195, of course. You want to put it somewhere where it makes sense. So 270, you know, 19,270, you know, where this breakdown came at above these wicks. You know, making a stop loss too tight is more often than not going to be fucking tragic. But yeah, this is just how you scalp a very low time frames. What you're looking for, what I look for at least. But you know, nothing much to look at. But I am more in favor of us going back down. Um, you know, everyone thought that was good news. I don't know why. I mean, it is good news. Don't get me wrong; it's good news. But wow, you know, it matches up the structure until we get back above that level. You know, it ain't nothing. You know, you don't want to necessarily short it here either because it's sitting at this level. I mean, it'd be more of a riskier short, but it's still worthy. You know, still worthy of a short because it does look like we're just going to head back down to 18,946. So that's the plan though. So we either get above 19,195, hold, we lose this level, we come back, test the channel, reject with a stop loss above 19,270. That's what we would do for a short. But if we get it back above 19,195, start holding it on some lower time frames, you'd be okay to long it. You know, get back above this channel, get back above there, be a nice long, and you'd have put your stop loss under 18,940, 18,950, around that area. It makes a lot of sense. But, you know, just nothing to confirm. But that's what I'm looking at. So we want to come up here, test off that channel, come back down, or we want to get above 19.2 again, and then we'll look for 19.5. Pretty tight stop losses. We like to keep them tight. You know, pretty good at that shit. So don't change what ain't broken. Like right now, see, it looks like we could get back up there. See if we can just, I don't want it to shoot up there. You know, I don't want it to shoot up there. If I'm going to short it, I want it to just stay above here on this 1 minute here and then come up in a couple minutes, you know, or like 30 minutes from now. Not like immediately. But as you can see, the 19.2K area is also the 15-minute EMA. You see, we have a lot of confluence factors for either direction that we take here. But anyways, I'm using my copy trade account on here. If I do find a trade, I doubt it. I doubt I am gonna. You know, it's not gonna happen immediately. So we know the plan, but If you want to, this is my name. You can come follow me. I'm up 100%. I've been bouncing around 1500 to 1700 for a while now. So hopefully we can get above that. We'll break through that little resistance point. You know, everything has a resistance point, even a damn portfolio. You feel more comfortable when you're at a certain amount than you are at this amount, and you make not the best decisions sometimes. It's just part of the game. But yeah, it's not too bad. If we can get up there, test that channel, I'm going to short it, I think. I'm going to put a stop loss of 19,270. Obviously, you don't want to just short it when it touches it. You want it to wick a couple times, and ultimately be below here at 19,125. If this last trend touch, that'd be your best bet. Wick it a couple times, lose the level, lose 19,125, and then we'll look for 18,950 again. If that's the case. But if it gets back above this channel, starts holding it, probably get back above there. We'll look for 19.5K. All right, guys, that's all I got, man. Y'all have a good day.